In this video, we are going to learn about sites of portocaval anastomosis. These are the sites in the abdominal cavity where anastomosis exists between portal and systemic venous systems. Sites of portocaval anastomosis at the lower end of esophagus, at anal canal, at umbilicus, at bare area of liver, at extraperitoneal surfaces of retroperitoneal organs. Tributary of portal vein and tributary of systemic vein. At the lower end of esophagus, esophageal tributaries of left gastric vein, esophageal tributaries of hemiazygos vein. At the lower end of esophagus, esophageal tributaries of left gastric vein, tributary of portal vein, esophageal tributaries of hemiazygos vein, tributary of systemic vein. At anal canal, superior rectal vein, middle and inferior rectal veins. At the anal canal, superior rectal vein, tributary of portal vein, anastomosis with tributaries of systemic veins, middle rectal vein, inferior rectal vein. At umbilicus, paraumbilical veins, they communicate superiorly with superior epigastric vein and lateral thoracic veins, inferiorly with superficial epigastric vein and inferior epigastric veins. At the umbilicus, paraumbilical vein, tributary of portal vein, communicates with veins of anterior abdominal wall. Superiorly with superior epigastric vein and lateral thoracic veins, inferiorly with inferior epigastric vein and superficial epigastric veins. At bare area of liver, portal radicals communicates with intercostal and phrenic veins. At bare area of liver, portal radicals, tributary of portal vein, communicates with phrenic vein and intercostal vein, tributaries of systemic veins. Extraperitoneal surfaces of retroperitoneal organs. Splenic and colic veins communicates with left renal vein and veins of body wall. Splenic vein and colic vein, tributaries of portal vein, communicates with tributaries of systemic veins, left renal vein, veins of body wall.